Hello there. My name is Pharmacist Michael, and today I have a fascinating topic to discuss with you, and that is nerve regeneration. Nerve regeneration is a complex and crucial process in the human body, as it plays a fundamental role in the recovery from neurological injuries and diseases. While modern medicine has made significant strides in understanding and facilitating nerve regeneration, there is a growing interest in complementary and alternative therapies, such as herbal remedies, vitamins, and minerals, as potential dietary supplements or alternative to conventional treatments. In this video, we're going to dig into the world of alternative remedies for nerve regeneration, exploring the mechanisms, evidence, and challenges associated with their use. To appreciate the potential of herbal remedies in nerve regeneration, it is essential to understand the intricacies of the nerve regeneration process. Nerve cells or neurons are unique in their limited regenerative capacity, primarily attributed to neurons' complex structure and function. When a nerve is injured, the body's natural response is to repair and regenerate the damaged tissue. This process typically involves several key steps. After an injury, the damaged nerve fibers undergo a process known as Wallerian degeneration. This involves breaking down and removing the damaged parts of the nerve. Schwann cells, a type of glial cell in the peripheral nervous system, play a crucial role in nerve regeneration. They release factors that guide the regenerating nerve fibers. The regenerating nerve fibers, or axons, must grow and navigate to their target tissues accurately. Various molecules and cues guide this process. In the case of motor neurons connecting to muscles, re-establishing functional synapses is essential for proper function. Myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers, must be regenerated for optimal nerve conduction. Various cellular and molecular mechanisms tightly regulate these steps. Any disruption in this process can lead to incomplete or faulty nerve regeneration, resulting in functional deficits. Historically, herbal remedies have been used in traditional medicine systems worldwide for various ailments, including those related to the nervous system. These remedies often involve using plant-derived compounds, which are believed to possess neuroprotective and nerve-regenerating properties. While the scientific understanding of these remedies is still evolving, several herbs have gained attention for their potential roles in nerve regeneration. Some of the most notable ones include Ginkgo Biloba, which is a popular herbal supplement known for its potential cognitive benefits. It contains compounds like flavonoids and terpenoids that possess antioxidant properties, which may aid in protecting nerve cells from damage and facilitating their regeneration. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties may promote nerve regeneration by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which can impede regeneration. Gotu Kola, which is an herb used in traditional medicine for its potential cognitive and nervous system benefits. It contains compounds like triterpenoids that may support nerve cell growth and repair. Lion's mane mushroom also contain bioactive compounds, which have shown promising effects in stimulating nerve growth factor production. Nerve growth factor plays a critical role in the growth and maintenance of nerve cells. Ashwagandha, which is an adaptogenic herb with potential neuroprotective properties, may help reduce stress-related damage to nerve cells and promote their regeneration. Bacopa, also known as Brahmi, has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for cognitive enhancement. It contains compounds which may support neuronal growth and repair. Aloe vera contains bioactive compounds like alone and allosin, which have shown potential in promoting nerve regeneration and improving nerve function in animal studies. While no specific vitamin or mineral directly promotes nerve regeneration, several nutrients are essential for nerve health. They may support the overall process of nerve repair and maintenance. Some of these include vitamin B12, which is crucial for forming and maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerve cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage and neuropathy. Vitamin B6 plays a role in nerve function and may help repair nerves. It's involved in synthesizing neurotransmitters that transmit signals between nerve cells. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, is vital for nerve function and may help prevent nerve damage and neuropathy. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that can protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. One of my favorite, vitamin D, is essential for overall nerve health and may help with nerve repair and maintenance. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil and flaxseed have anti-inflammatory properties that may support nerve health. Magnesium plays a role in nerve function and may help signaling and muscle contractions. Zinc is involved in repairing and maintaining nerve cells and is essential for overall nerve health. Antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and selenium can protect nerve cells by neutralizing free radicals from oxidative damage. Alpha-lipoic acid is also an antioxidant that may help improve nerve function and reduce neuropathy symptoms. Understanding the mechanisms by which herbal remedies may contribute to nerve regeneration is critical in evaluating their potential efficacy. While research in this area is ongoing, several key mechanisms have been proposed. Many herbal remedies, such as turmeric and ashwagandha, have potential anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can hinder nerve regeneration, so reducing inflammation may facilitate healing. Oxidative stress can damage nerve cells and impede regeneration. Compounds found in herbs like Ginkgo Biloba and turmeric act as antioxidants, protecting nerve cells from oxidative damage. Some herbs, like lion's mane mushroom, may stimulate the production of neurotrophic factors such as NGF. These factors promote the growth, survival, and maintenance of nerve cells. Other herbal compounds, such as those in aloe vera, may support the remyelination of damaged nerve fibers, improving their conduction capabilities. Herbs like Gotu Kola and Bacopa are believed to provide neuroprotection by enhancing the resilience of nerve cells to injury and degeneration. It's important to note that the specific mechanisms of action can vary among different herbal remedies, and further research is needed to elucidate their effects on nerve regeneration. While herbal remedies show promise in supporting nerve regeneration, several challenges and considerations must be addressed. The majority of research on herbal remedies for nerve regeneration is in the preclinical or early clinical stages. Robust, large-scale human trials are needed to establish their efficacy and safety. Herbal remedies can vary in composition and potency, which makes standardization and quality control crucial. Ensuring consistent dosages and purity is essential for reliable results. Herbal remedies can also interact with medications or cause adverse effects in some individuals. It is vital to consult with healthcare professionals before using herbal supplements, especially if you are taking other medications. Herbal supplements are not subject to the same rigorous regulatory scrutiny as pharmaceutical drugs. This can lead to variations in product quality and safety. The psychological and placebo effects can influence perceived benefits from herbal remedies, making it challenging to determine their true efficacy. People may respond differently to herbal remedies due to genetic, environmental, or health-related factors. Personalized approaches to treatment may be necessary. Herbal remedies for nerve regeneration offer a compelling avenue for research and potential therapeutic interventions. While preliminary evidence suggests that certain herbs may possess neuroprotective and regenerative properties, it is essential to approach these remedies with caution and scientific rigor. Robust clinical trials, standardization of herbal products, and a thorough understanding of their mechanisms of action are critical steps in advancing our knowledge of their efficacy and safety. In the future, herbal remedies may play a valuable role in complementing conventional treatments for nerve injuries and neurodegenerative diseases, offering hope for improved outcomes and quality of life for affected individuals. If you have any questions involving this topic or any other topic, please leave them in the comments section. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more information on happy, healthy living. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.